Welcome, fellow campers, to your Cohesion Culture Camp Be a Leader adventure. I'm Dr. Troy, and this is Benjamin Toy. We are your camp coaches and have well over 45 years of team building experience between the two of us.
Really? 45 years?
Well, yes. I started at a very young age, so don't let the hair color fool you.
Well, one good thing for sure, cohesion is not restricted by age, race, or culture. Everyone can experience the life-altering benefits of working with others to achieve mutual desires and common goals.
Exactly, Ben. Throughout the course, you will have the opportunity to do workbook exercises, hands-on activities, and watch videos filled with many teachable moments as we explore the strategic framework of a cohesion culture. Every cohesion culture has three critical elements: belonging, value, and mutual commitment.
You will learn about the strategic framework and how each element relates to the other and their collective impact upon your work culture.
The exercises, activities, and videos are designed to help you be a leader. As you become exposed to the content of the teachable moments, you will have the opportunity for self-discovery and reflection. The coursework is designed for do-it-yourself, self-participation, and self-paced, as well as virtual, in-person, and hybrid instructor-led sessions. You should allow approximately 60 to 75 minutes for each module on the learning platform, plus the time during the week to complete the weekly challenges.
Please complete all coursework for each module before advancing. It's on you to be honest with your progress. Don't cheat yourself out of the opportunity to experience self-discovery during your time at the camp. No one is watching. This is your first leadership test of the camp.
You have access to videos, activities, workbook exercises, and weekly challenges, plus a special area of resources on the learning platform called Backpack. It's everything you'll need for an awesome camp experience. If you do have questions, please connect with us at cohesionculturecamp.com.
Until next time, get out of the BORED room and live on purpose.